Hi everybody and welcome back to IBEX Running. I am Coach Rachael today. Today we have a nice quick 15-minute endurance run. So it's gonna go fast, it's gonna go quick. So I hope you guys are ready. If you miss any of the speed or incline changes, don't worry, don't be scared, because over here on this side of your monitor we have all those posted for you so you won't miss a thing. If you look over onto the other side of the screen, you're gonna see this nice long progression bar. It's gonna show you where we are from start to finish through this whole entire workout. So if you guys are ready, 15 minutes straight, look down on that tread, make sure you have a water bottle and a towel handy, because once we start, we're not gonna stop. Find your start button, hit it in 3, in 2, and 1. We start off 2.5 to 3.5. We're just warming up the body, okay? 12 minutes straight of running. Once we start, we don't stop. What we are doing is every minute, you're just gonna give me at least 0.1 on that speed. Now this is probably one of my favorite ways to train. So I talk about this a lot if you follow any of the other videos. I was never a runner at all. But over the pandemic, I found a very big love for it. I always wanted to run. I just never got into it. All right, so I'm gonna keep talking, but every minute we're gonna pick it up. We go right from a 2.5 to 3.5 right into a soft jog, 5.5, 7.5. We pick it up. So what I'm trying to say is I had to train myself how to run, right? So what would I do? I get on this tread. I do exactly what we're doing now. Every minute, pick up my pace just a little bit. Here we go, 5.5, 7.5, 3, 2, 1. We start off faster, get the body warmer. We'll take it back down, and then we'll get going from there. So I would do this. Maybe not at first I did the whole 12 minutes of it, but I would do like 5 minutes, I would pick it up, and then I would take it right back down. I would learn how to control my pace so I can get my breath right. Once I figured out how to do that, game changer, now you guys are stuck with me because you never want to leave, and all they want to do is run. Keep doing workouts like this. That's all I'm trying to say. 30 seconds. We take it down 5 to a 7. That's our starting point. The workout starts now. It'll be done before you know it, trust me. Sorry, I choked on a Taki last night. Still in my throat a little bit. 10 seconds. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, take it back down. So, wherever you were, 5.0 to 7.0. This is our starting point. It's gonna go fast, like I said. Every minute, you just add on 0.1, at least, minimum. You have a lot of wiggle room. 12 minutes. We're gonna work hard. Good. So while we're here, we're at our slowest pace of the day. Check in with your body. Roll your shoulders down and back. Find your breath. In through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Make sure everything's in one straight line, right? Shoulders over the hips, hips over those ankles. Not leaning too far back or forward. I did it opposite, but you know what I'm trying to say. Get your mind right? Get your head in the game, because we have about 10 more minutes of running, and it's only going up from here. 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up, give me 0.1. Love it. So this is great because you're not overstressing yourself out at first, right? You're letting your body slowly warm up. And I feel like most people go out there and they try to work out. They go 0 to 100. They want to start off hard. They want to start off fast. Our bodies are a little sensitive, and they like to be treated nicely. They like to be nice and warmed up before you get going. This is one of those workouts that it does just that. So, let it go. We're starting here. We're gonna end a little faster. We're already going up 15 seconds. I got a good story to tell you guys. I'm gonna wait till after this change. Hopefully it takes the whole 10 minutes to tell you. Here we go. Add on 0.1 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'll talk about this a little bit, but I did just train for a marathon. I did the marathon in June. But while I was training, you have to go on these really long runs just to practice. And so I'm not big into road running per se, I'll do it. But I like just to eliminate the issues of being stressed out by traffic and cars and stuff. So I went to the park in Kansas, end of May, and they have like this really big tunnel. You have to go through the tunnel, it's like an overpass, okay? So I got my music out and jamming out. I'm like 5-6 miles into the run. All of a sudden I feel bam on the back of my head, and I look, and a bird is darting for my head. So what do? I book. I start sprinting through this tunnel. I was like, you're never gonna catch me, bird. So then we're going up. Give me point 1 in 3, 2, 1. Take it up. So then I go like another 4 or 5 miles up, come back. I stand in front of the tunnel this time. I say, because I gotta go back the way I came. And I'm like, what are the odds that this bird is gonna do it again, right? What are the odds that this bird is still here and he's gonna attack me? So what do? I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna I'm gonna sprint as fast as I can. I wanna be attacked by a bird. So I start going, picking up the pace, running as fast as I can. I look around, no bird, no bird, no bird. I see the tunnel. I'm almost out of the tunnel. And all of a sudden, bam, the bird gets me again. I'm like, freak out. This time, I drop my headphone back into the tunnel. So, get ready to take it back up. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what do? I stop, I back up. You know, I'm out of the tunnel now. I see the bird, he's at the tree. He's looking at me, I'm looking at him. We're both looking at the headphone. I was like, I need that headphone. I can't run without my headphones. So we're good. He's looking at me, I'm looking at him. We're both looking at the headphone. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to pickle the beast. You know? Like this tiny bird was my arch nemesis for this run. You guys seen Sandlot where he pickles the beast? Exactly what I had to do. So I'm staring. And then we both go. I take off, try to grab the headphone. He's coming for my head. I grab my headphone. He like goes, oof, just skims the top of my hair this time. And then I ran off. And then I just got spooked the whole time. Every time I heard something, because then my headphones died. Every time I heard a noise, I was like, the bird's coming for me. I gotta get out of the park. Here we go. Take it up. 3, 2, 1. See what I did there? We're halfway done with the workout. And I'm still alive to tell the tale. The bird did not kill me. Did not bite me. Pretty sure it was protecting a nest. It was probably a ladybird. Funniest story though. Who gets attacked by a bird 3 times? Same bird. That be me. All right. How are we feeling? Feeling good now? Breathe in and out through your nose. 30 seconds. We take it up. So we should be around 5-5, 7-5. We're going 5-6, 7-6. Going to our run number 7 already. 15 seconds. We're already almost there. So keep going, guys. 10, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Pick it up. 5, 6, 7, 6. 5, 6, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Just like that. 8 minutes. 8 minutes straight. So as we start picking up our pace, right? Let's do a body scan. Roll your shoulders down and back. Breathe. Nice big one. Release it, let it go. Your arms have a nice pump in it. They have a slight tight grip. Not too aggressive, right? Into your hands. 15 seconds. We're gonna take it up. 5, 7, 7, 7. And 10. In 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Finish line's getting closer. I want you to notice a slight change. So what happens to me, I just start rolling my shoulders forward, and it just slightly starts to bring my torso forward. It's not big, it's not a lot, but as soon as I pull up, I feel like I can breathe a little bit deeper and I can run a little bit faster. So just notice that that is available to you. Pull up. Let's go. Keep going. 30 seconds. We go up again. 3 more minutes. That's it. You sweaty? Woo! It's one of those fast and quick ones. You know, you only got 15 minutes. Might as well make it worth it, you know? 10, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. There we go. Woo! I'm feeling great. I'm ready to take on the world today. One bird at a time. 45 seconds. Let it go. Whatever you're holding on to, right? The last 2 minutes are the hardest, but they are the ones that are worth the most. We're almost there. The last 2 minutes. Can you believe it? Don't look down. Look forward. 20. 15 seconds. 10. 8. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 9, 7, 9. For the win here, the last 2 minutes. There it goes. Think about your goal, the last minute. What is the one thing you want most out of this workout? We're gonna get it in 30 seconds. Here we go. Look forward. Breathe deep. Pump those arms. Getting ready for our fastest. Fastest minute, last minute. 20 seconds. 6.0, 8.0. We're not there yet. Starting in 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go, IBEX. Last minute here. 6.0, 8.0. It's not a big change. So you have it. You can handle it. Woo! After this, we already recover. 20 seconds down. 40 to go. Good. Coming up on that 30-second mark. You have anything extra? Let's go. Crush it at the end. Go beyond. Don't stop. Pick it up, pick it up. 15 seconds. Maybe one more. Touch up. Point one, let's go. Here we go. 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. We walk it out. How was that? You can't tell me you don't feel good now. You don't feel great? Come on. Sweaty? All over the place today. Bring the heart rate back down. Inhale. Exhale. We take it down one more time. 2, 5, 3, 5. Just calm your heart rate down right here. Breathe. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale there. So you feel a little bit better now. Starting to get a little puffy in the chest. And that kind of spooks you. So then you tighten up a little bit more. Relax. 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, and 5, 4, 3, 2. Last minute of this whole entire workout. Can you believe it? If you have never ran 12 minutes straight, congratulations. Most likely, if you were stayed within the guidelines, you were definitely over a mile, maybe a mile and a half. Maybe close to 2, right? All right, one more nice good deep inhale. Nice good deep exhale. You guys are crushing these workouts. Keep it up. You know, don't stop here. Tomorrow do another one. Then the next day do another one. Make yourself a priority. Stay consistent with your goals and what you want. If you do that, everything else is gonna fall into place. And that's just not physically, that's mentally. Be consistent, show up for yourself. All right, 15-minute endurance run. This is IBEX Running. Coach Rachel, I'll meet you on your tread next time. You can go ahead, hit that stop button in 3, 2, 1, and I'll see you next time, guys.